Every powerful AI model has the same problem. Claude say limit reach, GPT say come back later, Gemini run out of quota. If you have ever seen this message on your screen, you are definitely not alone. I see the same comment under almost every AI video. My free limit is over. My token are finished. Is there any way to use this model for free? So today I am going to solve this problem. I will show you the best way that you can use all the free model unlimitedly. And no, this isn't one of the clickbait video where I show a weak or unknown AI model. I'm using it live on my own computer right now. Model include Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Sonnet 4.6, GPT 5.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro GLM, Kimi, MiniMax, DeepSeek, BigPickle, Qwen 3.8 Max. I will show you the way where you can use most of this model inside Visual Studio Code. Here is the interesting part. Instead of depending on just one model and constantly hitting usage limit, I will show you the smartest approach. When one model reaches its limits, you simply switch to another. By rotating between multiple top-tier AI models, you can keep coding without waiting for your quota to reset and without paying it. Before this video ends, I will show you the 7 best ways that I will use in my daily life and you can also use it. After learning this process, you will probably never need to source free AI coding model again, where latest model will be automatically added on this list time to time. Then, without wasting time, I am going to start the video. Among these 7 models, you can choose any one of this model that you are comfortable to use. This is not in the rank, best model at the top. I will show you in random way. Model like Claude Opus, Sonnet, GPT 5.6 provide little bit less amount of limit as compared to other model, where I want to honest with you. Trust me, if you watch this complete video and use this 7 way, then you never need such a way that you can get access of the free model. Then let's get started. I will show you the only one way that you can get access outside the Visual Studio Code. I am starting from this method, remaining all 7 methods that you can get access inside the Visual Studio Code, and only one method that you can get access in browser. I will show you this type of way that you can get access until 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, not for 5 to 10 days. First method will be Figma education plan, where Figma provide top tier model like Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Sonnet, GPT 5.6, MiniMax, Gemini from your student ID card for the time of 2 years. I have already created the detailed video about it. How you can get access, you can visit my channel. I'll put the video link is in the description as well. From there you can create account. Account creation process will be simple. This is my Figma education plan. You can see that my remaining Figma team will be in free plan and this my team is in education plan. After you have activated your education plan, you can get access of all this model. If you click on the make section, then you are landed it here and it will provide Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.8, Gemini 3, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.6. This type of latest and intelligence model that you can get access for free for 2 years, not for 5 days, 10 days. You can get access this all model for 2 years. And best part about it is, if you activate it, then you can invite your friend as well, where your friend will also get rewarded. Not only for your coding task, you can use it for designing purpose as well. This is the way. If I will show you each and every process, then this video is long and boring. That's why I want to make it short, quick and useful. Here, this is my education plan that I will activate. You can activate as much Figma team as you can. You can easily invite your other member as well. Through email, you can invite your friend as well. Not only you, your friend can also get access of this all the intelligence model. If you want detailed video about it, watch my previous video. I have demonstrated each and everything by building one project as well. This is the first way that you can get access outside Visual Studio Code. Then I will show you all the remaining 6 methods inside the Visual Studio Code. Method 2. This is my favorite method way that I can get access of the free model, where it will provide a huge amount of limit for you. If you are a student, you can never hit limit on this one single method, which is OpenCode ZEN, where OpenCode ZEN provide some model for free. You can easily get access of this all model by creating your account in OpenCode AI. If you want to use it inside your terminal just like this, then install OpenCode. By this command you can easily install OpenCode in your system if you want to use inside the terminal. If you didn't want to use inside the terminal, then you can install extension as well. OpenCode provide both the way. If you can install extension, then it will be only accessible inside the Visual Studio Code. If you install through the terminal, then it will be accessible everywhere through the terminal. Use any one of this method that you are comfortable to use. Here you can easily use DeepSeek. Keep in mind, this is not an actual token, this is context token. If you close this all and open it again, it will reset. Every time it will starting from the 4%. Slash models OpenCode, you can see North Minicode, Nematron 3 Ultra, DeepSeek, Before Plus, Mimo, Big Pickle will be available here for free. Then how you can use it, I will show you. It will respond in 2.4 seconds. Keep in mind how much fast is it. First go to the OpenCode AI. Then if you want, install the OpenCode, go to the ZEN section. If you are using it for the first time, create your account. Then go to the API key section, create your API key. After creating your API key, copy it, came back here. If you have installed extension, open extension. If you have installed it in terminal, open it. Then type slash connect. Then OpenCode ZEN will be reflected at the top. Press enter. It will ask for the API key. Provide API key and press enter. Then you are ready to use. If you type free, then all the free model will be reflected here, provided by OpenCode ZEN. Currently 6 model will be available here. Big Pickle is also available. Now Big Pickle is not available. Remaining 5 models are available here. Model will be updated in time to time. Keep in mind, this model will be updated in time to time. If you see multiple model, don't worry. I'll show you some other way that you can use this free model as well. Hi, Mimo is also working. You can see DeepSeek Mimo is working. Currently Big Pickle is not available. This is the second method that you can use open source and intelligence model inside your Visual Studio Code. Third way that I will show you, which is a Amazon Q developer plan, where Amazon Q provide some model for free until 2027 July. Here you can get access of the Claude Sonnet 4.8, Claude Sonnet 4, Claude HiQ, DeepSeek 3.2, MiniMax M2.5, MiniMax M2.1, GLM5, Qwen 3.6 code. You can see each and every model is working. Then how you can use it? Search Amazon Q. Then install this extension. After you have installed this extension, it will ask to log in. It will provide link, copy it through your browser, log in. Then it will automatically redirect here. Then you can easily use it. If you want a complete process, then watch my tutorial. I have already published complete process that you can get access of the Amazon Q developer plan. I'll pin this video list is in the comment. From there you can see the each and every process. After that, we have already explored the 3 method. Figma education plan, second OpenCode, third Amazon Q developer plan, fourth will be the OpenRouter, where you can get access all the free model of OpenRouter inside OpenCode and inside Kilocode as well. If you want to use it through Kilocode, then you can also get access. In this video, I'll show you how you can get access through the OpenCode. Okay, I will open another terminal here and again start my OpenCode, and I'll split my terminal here. This is the OpenCode ZEN. Now I'll show you the OpenRouter. Here you can easily create your account in OpenRouter. After you have created account, type free. All the free model will be reflected here. Currently 10 to 15 model will be freely available, and this model is update time to time. This video is recorded 22 July. When you have watched this video 5-6 days later or 1 month later, the model will be different. Some other model will be available for free and this model is not available. You can see Nematron 3 Ultra rank at 4 in programming category. This is not the DOM model. This is the intelligence model. This is Laguna M1 is rank in the 18th position. Then after you have created account, go to your profile section and create your API key from here. You can create as much API key as you can. Next, let's create the new API key. Give any name that you want. I'll give free model. Remaining are optional. Expiration date, I'll set it for 1 day. Didn't share your API key with anyone and you will not be able to see it again. That's why copy it and get back to the OpenCode. Press /connect, source OpenRouter, press enter, provide the API key that you have created, press enter, then all the model that will be provided by OpenRouter will be reflected here. Let's source free. You can see this is the model that will be available for free in OpenRouter. I'm going to try Nematron 3 Ultra. Keep in mind, some model may not work in some time, but this time it will work perfectly. This is the fourth way that you can get access of the model. Now, I will show you the sixth method that you can get access some other model, which is provided by Kilocode. Search for Kilocode. We are going to access it through the extension. This is the official Kilocode extension. You can find some other extension as well, where provided by Kilocode AI will be the official extension. Install it. After that, it will be reflected here. From here, you can easily use it. It didn't require any authentication and configuration. Here you can see the multiple model, and this is the setup part. You can set ask mode, plan mode, debug mode and code mode. If you set ask, every time during modifying your code it will ask it. Okay, in plan mode, before you want to develop anything, you can plan something as well. I'll select directly code, and this is the list of model available, freely available in Kilocode. I'm going to type free. Then all the free model will be reflected here. Currently step 3.7 Flash is free. Keep in mind, this is another open source and intelligence model. And at the same time, North Mini, Nematron, Laguna, this type of model is available here. And you can also set auto as well. If you set it auto, then it will automatically use free model which is currently available. You can easily use Kilocode for your daily tasks, where it will provide decent amount of token. If you point out all the model list, then I have already explored nearly 25 model for free. Okay. Then sixth method that you can get access of one of the current intelligence model which claim that we are the second intelligence model after Claude Fable. This is Qwen 3.8 Max. You can easily use Qwen 3.8 Max model inside the Visual Studio Code through the extension. Here in the extension section, search for Qwen. Then you can get this official extension, install it, then you can easily use. You need to log in here to use this model. Click login, continue with Google. You need to provide your Google account here. After providing your email, next it from here, it will verify it. Now you are ready to use this Qwen 3.8 Max model. Create a one landing page. It will work. I have already tested this model. It is one of the intelligence model that I have feel. Okay, we have already explored 6 way. 1, 2, 3, 4, Kilocode 5, Figma Student Plan 6. Now last, which is Blackbox. Why I am choosing Blackbox instead of some other? Reason will be Blackbox provide Kimi K 2.6 and MiniMax 2.7 for free. At the same time, it will provide decent amount of token per day. It will didn't mention in the website how much token per day per month, but when I have tried it, then it will work perfectly. When I will write nearly 5,000 line of code, until that its limit is not expired. That's why I have choose Blackbox AI. Otherwise, I want to choose MiniMax code. You can use MiniMax code and anti-gravity as well. In MiniMax code, you can get access of MiniMax M3 and MiniMax M2.7 for free with some limitation. This is all the list of model that you can get access inside your Visual Studio Code. Only one way that you can get access in browser, which is provided Figma. And most important things, the way that I have shared with you, all are trusted way. Okay, Qwen, OpenCode, Amazon Q developer plan, Kilocode, Figma education plan, this all the way are the trusted way that you can use it for the free, where no one of them use your data for training purpose. I want to wrap up this video here, where I have already show you all the way that you can get access. Before ending this video, I want to say one thing. If you randomize between this all the model, I am sure that you have never reached your limit. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding, bye bye.